So, what is soil? Soil is defined as the interface or the first point of contact between the Earth's surface and the external environment. There are 3 types of soil that every person should know about: sand, silt, and clay. With the largest, we have sand. The particle size is 0.05 millimeters to 2 millimeters. Then we have silt, which is 0.02 millimeters to 0.05 millimeters. And finally, the smallest is clay, which is less than 0.002 millimeters in size. To show you the difference in sizes between sand, silt, and clay, you are being shown a chart with gravel in comparison. Think of a piece of gravel. Now think of a piece of sand. Can you feel the difference? Sand is a lot smaller than gravel, and so is silt and clay. Clay is even so small that you can't see it at this point. There are also different soil horizons. O is the organic layer with lots of undecayed organic materials that are not usable by plants and soil. A is topsoil. It's the most important layer for plants because it has decomposed organic material. E is the alluviated or leached layer. It's not present in some soils. B is subsoil, which is very rich in minerals. C is deposited sediments from which soil formed parent material. And R is the bedrock level. A good tool to use to determine the soil type is a ternary diagram. Ternary diagrams classify soils by their sand, silt, and clay content to identify types of soils by characteristics. Jumping over to essential nutrients, there are 17 essential nutrients that are required for plants and soil to survive. There are also 3 different categories for these essential nutrients. The air and water category includes carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The solid soils category includes nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. Both the air, water, and solid soil categories are a part of macronutrients. The micronutrients include iron, manganese, boron, zinc, chloride, cobalt, molybdenum, and nickel. Let's move on to the functions of soil. Soils perform 6 key functions in the global ecosystem. Soil serves as a medium for plant growth, an anchor for plant roots, a regulator of water supplies, a regulator of raw materials, habitat for soil organisms, landscaping, and provides space for air. Now let's move on to some important vocabulary. Clay is a material found in earth that is sticky when wet and hard when dry. Silt is fine sand and earthy material carried by water. And sand is tiny grains of broken rock. Loam is the best soil for plant growth, and it's a mixture of sand, silt, and clay. Humus is decayed plants and animals on the top layer of soil. Topsoil is the top layer of soil that provides support and nutrients to plants. Subsoil is the middle layer of soil, which is a combination of soil and rocks. Bedrock is the bottom of soil, which is made up of a rock. Nutrients are materials that plants and animals need to grow, and rock is just a mass of stone. And that's your vocab. Hi guys, thank you for watching. My name's Lexi Riddle, and I'm doing this for my AGR 345 class at Murray State University. So Dr. H, I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and everybody else, I hope y'all enjoyed it too. So here are a few soil memes to keep y'all laughing.